Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wix Stores for dropshipping with Printful fulfillment, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Wix account. If you don't have an account, create one at wix.com. Once logged in, navigate to your Wix dashboard. Click on the Add Apps option from the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Wix Stores. Find the Wix Stores app and click Add to Site. This will install the Wix Stores app on your website. Next, click on the Manage button to customize your store. Now, it's time to set up your store's layout. Select a template that fits your brand style. You can customize the text, images, and product categories here. After that, click on Add Products to start listing items. To integrate Printful, head to the Printful website. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, click on Stores and select Choose Platform. Find Wix in the list and click Connect. You will be prompted to log into your Wix account for permission. After connecting, return to your Printful dashboard. Now, click on Product Templates to start adding products. Choose the type of products you want to sell from the options available. Customize your chosen products with designs, variants, and descriptions. After finalizing, click on Add to Store to sync the products with Wix. Return to your Wix dashboard and click on Products. Review the imported products to ensure they are correctly listed. Now, set up your payment methods by going to Settings. Click on Accept Payments and choose your preferred payment methods. Make sure to set up shipping options under the shipping settings. You can select Printful's shipping options or customize your own. Next, preview your store by clicking on the Preview button. This will allow you to see how your store looks to potential customers. After confirming that everything looks good, publish your website. Your Wix store with Printful fulfillment for dropshipping is now live. Encourage your audience to start marketing their store to drive traffic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.